What's up, everybody? DoubleA here today with a Loot Crate DX box. I ordered this box back in December and it is now February and I just got it. So let's crack it open and see what's in there. Alright, so I paid $35 for this box. It was a it's a $50 subscription, but I used a coupon code to get it for cheaper. So hopefully we get our money's worth in this. We'll see.
All right, let's see the first item. A shirt. Bob's Burgers.
Okay.
Oh, I recognize this shirt. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Short sleeve or long sleeve? Looks like it might be a long sleeve shirt.
Or is it?
Yeah, it's a long sleeve.
Oh, well, that's not too bad. Wow.
There you guys go.
Not too bad. I like that. Thank you.
All right, what are we next? This one?
Yeah, sure.
Red beer glasses.
Oh,
that's
Archer
cool.
beer set. Okay.
That's actually kind of like that. I like
That's
that.
not bad. I'm not gonna open it or anything because I don't want to break the seal. My guess is it's probably worth about $10. Shirt probably 15.
Next item is a.
What is it? Oh, is that Futurama?
I don't know. Yeah, it is a Futurama. Yeah, because I recognize Planet Express.
That's
see that?
cool.
I recognize that.
Maybe I think we can open that one, right?
It looks like you can open it.
Yeah, let's check that out.
Just want to be very careful so it doesn't.
Yeah, of course. Here, I'll hold it up.
Ooh, it's got the double one. Oh. Oh, I remember this guy. They had many of them.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool.
The dark matter stuff.
It's a good figurine.
Or crap that dark matter. You know, I don't know.
Yeah.
I remember that. Futurama was a great show.
Yeah, that's some good items in there. What else we?
It's something I actually really like.
Yeah. What else we got?
Alright. Of course the pin. Let me see this. Oh. That's actually kind of cool.
Okay.
You
That's
get three.
decent.
You get 3 pins on this. That's actually really nice.
That is
And the way
really
they did
nice.
this, I like that.
All right. All right. Anything else?
First, ooh,
All right. Just a HelloFresh gift card.
$50 gift card. I don't know why I said 50% off. So, not sure the code, but as you can see, $50.
Yep.
Well,
That's cool.
thank you, Loot Crate.
All right. That's cool.
And then this is the. I recognize this. This is what you get to show you what's in there.
Okay.
So we can actually see the glasses too.
Okay, that's not bad.
Let me show you all. Shows you what comes in here. So these are the glasses. It looks like real beer cans, but they're glasses. Pins, shirt, and then here is figurine. Figurine comes with figurine comes with his little what's it called? Litter box with stuff in there. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. So that was about, well, basically 3 items and some pins. Now, this box, like I said, originally $50. Is there $50 worth of stuff in there? Probably not. My guess is we probably got our money back and maybe a little bit more. But if you paid $50, I highly doubt that it's worth that much. So will I subscribe to this again? Probably not.
We got lucky though for this box. This was a lucky box for us to have because those items are items that I would like even if they don't sell, but they're really good items to have.
As
Presentation was really good, put together well. So
I agree. The presentation is very good. However, the cost is not.
too
So
much. Yeah.
yeah, so I can't see myself spending $50 every month on something that I may or may not like. Now this time we did like it. I'll agree with that. And if you're a collector, you're gonna like it even more. But if you're reselling it, maybe not. So I'm not, honestly, like I said, honestly, I'm not sure if we'll continue this, but I appreciate the, you know, the box. It, like I said, took almost 2 months to get here. So that's pretty much it, unless you have something to add.
Well, let me just say, Loot Crate, this is the first box I've actually ever liked by them. But it's not a strong love box, but I would have loved it even, like, liked it even more if it came when it was supposed to come. But right now, it's just, still, I don't want to get it anymore.
Right, and you know that, like I said, that's our opinion. You may not agree with it. You know, you might be looking at this and say, "Wow, this is pretty good. I should probably get it," and then, you know, go for it. But you gotta look at it from our perspective as resellers. You know, we get this stuff not for collection purposes or collectible purposes. We just get it to sell it. So that's my take on this, and that's it for this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Take care, and see you next time.